Guy, what's happened to you now? You get kata?
Kata dey worry me.
You don't buy Proco.
I don't buy.
You need go hospital. So your eye like person when don't take Igbo. Just not be the worry you.
I don't buy, no one, nothing dey happen. No, I dey okay.
Just go buy Proco.
I dey okay. Niggas, how you dey be now?
You go take distance before you give me ammo. Shift small.
Wetin dey happen?